Hello, my name is John Kiewit, Dimensional Insights Vice President of Goods and Services. Our technical team, John Stofkin, Vice President of Hosted Services, and Michael Brockway, Vice President of Consultant, and Fred Powers, Co-founder and CEO, would like to review the goods and services applications that we currently offer and some that we have under development. Our products are built for the ever-changing needs of your industry. They are loaded with functionality yet customizable to your individual needs. Our goal is to minimize as many of your business intelligence pain points as we possibly can. Now I'd like to turn it over to John Stofkin for the first application discussion.
Hey, John, I'd like to talk about our Distributor Advisor application, which is designed for any distributor environment where we are selling products to a retail destinations. It covers data coming in for internal sales, inventory, demand planning, finance. In addition, field users can have access to all sorts of promotional material, PDFs, videos, and such. The system is designed to provide the right data to the right user. And if we look at the next slide for Supplier Advisor, this is taking our product and expanding it for the two-tier beverage alcohol industry, where we go and collect information from third-party providers for RAD data depletions and account information. We update the systems daily, give you reporting for overall performance, trend analysis, and as the other, we include access to all videos and user controls. And now I'd like Mike Brockway to give you a little chat.
The next application is Program Advisor. Program Advisor is an awesome application for tracking programs, quotas, goals, blitzes, and incentives. Programs are entered directly into the application. Goals can be calculated a number of different ways automatically. The application handles from the very simple to the very complex payouts. It is also integrated with our DI Survey Advisor application so that you can say a program is dependent on a survey being completed or a picture being taken. The goals, actuals, and payouts are updated every day, and those results can be viewed by the end users on the web, on the iPad, and on the iPhone. And at the end of the process, final reports and as well as the supplier chargeback reports are generated automatically. Next, I'd like to talk about the Pricing Advisor application. This is an application that centralizes the management of cost and pricing information for the organization. So no longer will you have pricing scattered across the organization and stored in different formats. And this is to help you meet the complex pricing requirements of today's market. We streamline the price management and communication workflows so that people entering price changes or updates, if they're outside their target limit of what they can do, their manager automatically gets an approval request to make sure that change is approved. You can do what if and trend analysis. We automatically calculate state and federal taxes, and it has a very hefty reporting and analytic module. The next application I want to talk about is a new one, still under construction, called a DI Performance Advisor. The Performance Advisor application will give executive management the ability to benchmark and rank the performance of their entire sales organization across the broad spectrum of the business. Ranking is done independently by category. So a category would be net sales or gross profit, and even Program Advisor performance. Literally hundreds or close to 1,000 different measures can be done in the ranking. So a ranking by category and an overall rank is produced. Each category can have its own weight assigned so that you can say this category, like gross profit, is twice as important as another category. And then at the end, the ranking is done month to date as well as year to date, and the results will be available via dashboard, reports, and also data files if you want to export those to other systems. And now back to John.
Thank you, Mike. I'd like to talk about something a little different. BeverageLink is a data service that we're providing to aid our Supplier Advisor customers. It goes and collects data from the individual distributors in the beverage alcohol industry. We standardize the formats. We then go and provide mapping of the distributor's information to the supplier's coding. So product codes are an easy thing to map. Customers are another. We actually go and leverage Nielsen connected partners to go and map the account information, name, address, chain links to the Nielsen provided values. We have a collaborative portion in here where we allow both the distributor and the supplier to see how we have mapped it. They can look at the distributor's original values, see the supplier's output. This then gets piped over to the Supplier Advisor for full reporting. So I'd like to now hand this over to Fred Powers.
Survey Advisor, a centralized way of managing all of your surveys designed purposely for the beverage alcohol marketplace. Supports both online and offline, has complete administration in a centralized location, and it's exactly what you need because this integrates into everything else that Dimensional Insight does for the beverage industry. Coming soon, we have customer interaction. As you can see, contacts, notes, calendar, and alerts are all integrated together, all integrated in with the other analytics packages that you saw, so that we have a complete package, plus it's tied into Exchange as well. So when you add these two, plus everything else, truly, we have an integrated product that no one else can compete with.
I'd like to thank you all for your time today and encourage, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you again and have a great day and be safe.